Hello friend, I am Dhirendra Kumar. Welcome to ITLS Academy. Today we discuss the most important topic, contemporary monitoring method. We know well a wide range of pathogens exist in our food and they cause a wide range of issues, that is the food poisoning. But how we can be determine the microbe present in our food? So this is the most important monitoring method. Now start one by one topic. The safety of global food supply. Contemporary method are need for rapid, effective and accurate monitoring of environmental hygiene, identification of biological hazard and assessment of product quality. This is the most important method. This is important for the identification of contaminant agent or biological hazard present in our food. These methods include adenosine triphosphate, bioluminescence, PCR, as well as enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay. So there are various methods to be used for the identification of biological hazard like ATP, PCR and ELISA. This is the most important method. ATP is basically energy source. They are mainly consist of an adenine, ribose as well as triphosphate molecule. It means ATP, the energy source, they are basically consist of nitrogen based sugar as well as phosphate group. When the ATP is hydrolyzed to produce adenosine diphosphate as well as adenosine monophosphate and release high amount of energy in the form of inorganic phosphate. The inorganic phosphate uses a energy source in different biological metabolic process and they use as a energy source. Then secondly the PCR. PCR is the most powerful technique to be used for the identification of any microorganism. PCR is the technique used for in vitro DNA amplification. The assay is carried out in an instrument known as DNA thermocycle. So DNA thermocycle is the most important instrument to be used for in vitro DNA amplification of isolated desired gene. The thermocycle provides repeated cycle of temperature change. During the cycle, low level of DNA exactly from a pathogen extracted from a pathogen are amplified into millions of copies within short period. So PCR is the important technique to produce identical copy of a desired gene, a low level of desired gene into millions of copies within few minutes, and they take a lot of a short period of time, and accuracy is very important in thermocycler. Yeah, we can say the PCR. So PCR is the important method to amplify a desired gene. वेल नोन है, हम लोग जानते हैं कि PCR एक ऐसा important टेक्निक होता है जिसमें हम लोग एक लो लेवल ऑफ DNA को क्या करते हैं, एग्जैक्ट कॉपी प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, मिलियंस ऑफ कॉपी विद इन ए फ्यू मिनट. ELISA is the another technique to use for polyclonal and monoclonal antibody to detect target microorganism. We know a wide range of natural pathogen exists in our food, exists in our society. So ELISA is the important assay, immunological assay. They identify to detect the target organism. For pathogenic microorganism, unique surface structure like toxic metabolite are used as antigen to produce specific antibody. So ELISA is important technique for identification of any pathogen. These antibody identify their corresponding antigen whose presence is the indication of pathogen contamination of the test sample. For microorganisms with unknown pathogenicity, heat or chemical killed whole cell are sometimes used to produce antibody. What is the regulatory industry and international implication? What is the basic parameter? Bioluminescence monitoring technique. The food industry depend heavily on standard sanitary operation procedure. This is the most important topic, standard sanitary operation procedure. ये देखा जाए जितने भी आपके इंटरनेशनल डेटा होते हैं, किसी भी प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी के एनालिसिस होना या बोलते जो भी फूड जो अभी फूड इंडस्ट्री है उनका जो स्टैंडर्ड होता है वो आपका जो आइडेंटिफाई होता है, किसी भी प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी सेफ आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, दैट इज द स्टैंडर्ड सेंट्री ऑपरेशन प्रोसीजर एंड हेजर्ड एनालिसिस एंड क्रिटिकल कंट्रोल पॉइंट HACCP टू इनहेंस प्रोडक्ट क्वालिटी एंड सेफ्टी. ATP bioluminescence is a rapid and sensitive tool for monitoring the operating condition in food processing plant. So ATP bioluminescence is the important tools. There are 4 basic steps in the ATP bioluminescence assay. One is the sample collection, the important. Second is the separation of microbial cell from food. It means isolation and purification. Third is the extraction of microbial ATP. How we can be produce microbial ATP. Third is the light measurement. So there are 4 major basic steps to be involved in ATP bioluminescence assay. ATP bioluminescence assay has used to assess the microbial quality of raw milk and meat. It means रॉ मिल्क और मीट की क्वालिटी को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए जो हम लोग प्रोसीजर यूज करते हैं डेट इज नोन ATP बायोलुमिनेंस. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट होता है. अब इसमें हमने बात किया कि ATP द इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट टू बी यूज. तो हाउ यू कैन बी आइडेंटिफाई. तो ई एंजाइम LH प्लस ATP प्लस मैग्नीशियम आयन दे आर joined to each other and they produce the PPI inorganic phosphate and produce AMP E dot LH2 plus AMP. This is the complex structure. And they produce inorganic pyrophosphate. They are used as a energy source. Reaction second, ELH2AMP plus oxygen and they form oxyluciferin CO2 AMP and light. तो E stand for luciferase enzyme, LH2 stand for the luciferase substrate luciferin. तो हमारा मेन ऑब्जेक्ट था ऑक्सी ल्यूसिफिन का फॉर्मेशन करना. हाउ दे कैन प्रोड्यूस. दे आर प्रोड्यूस विद द हेल्प ऑफ एंजाइम. LH मीन्स ल्यूसिफरेस सबस्ट्रेट ATP and then produce in second step they form oxy luciferin CO2 AMP and light. The monitoring and record keeping are important step in HACCP management and provide information on whether potential hazard are under control and if corrective action are necessary. तो जो भी हम लोग प्रोडक्ट फॉर्मुलेट करते हैं तो HACCP मैनेजमेंट करता है, मॉनिटरिंग करता है. यदि कोई भी उसमें कंट्रोल, यदि कोई हैजर्ड है, पोटेंशियल हैजर्ड है या कोई बायोलॉजिकल हैजर्ड है, देन हमको उसमें कोई यदि रिक्वायरमेंट होता है करेक्शन के लिए तो करते हैं, अदरवाइज करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है प्रोडक्ट में. PCR monitoring technique. This technique is used for detection of foodborne bacteria, mold, yeast, virus and parasite from food. BAXTM is a commercial PCR system marketed by Colicon for screening of important foodborne pathogens like Salmonella, E. coli, Listeria and Campylobacter. There are various microorganisms. PCR detection of pathogen directly from food can be difficult because food components such as protein, lipid often inhibit the activity of tag DNA polymerase during DNA amplification. ELISA monitoring technique. ELISA has been used for the detection of various foodborne pathogens by targeted their surface structure, toxin or whole cell. The commercial immunodiagnostic kit available for the detection of foodborne diseases. ELISA based tests are relatively inexpensive and easier to perform. Development of high quality pathogenic specific antibody is crucial to the success of this technique. This is the various pathogen, this is the antigen target, this is the antibody to be produced for the identification of foodborne pathogen by ELISA technique. So this is important. Okay guys, thank you. Next lecture I will see hazard from natural origin. Thank you. All the best.